ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh!
So don't call it a comeback.
What is up, guys? Welcome to a new vlog. I actually was not planning to vlog today, but my class got canceled, so Anushka and I are going hiking. I've never been to this place before. It's called, like, what is it called? Bellevue? Bellevue State Park. Never even heard of it. First we're going to Burger King because we're both starving and I haven't eaten anything yet and it's noon. So we're gonna get some lunch first and then go hiking. And yeah, that's what's going on. Your shoe's always untied. Always.
Alright, let's go. I'm not eating in this tray, it's gross.
Cheers.
I've been seeing your soul. Give me things that I wanted to know. Tell me things that you've done. I've been feeling old, I've been feeling cold.
Oh,
they're just
there.
chilling. I don't think so. Oh my god, his little head's popped up. I wonder if there's any frogs.
It's like stagnant water.
We're going down this trail right now. It's right near, I don't think it's a river, I think it's a lake. Whatever, a body of water. We're on this trail, like right next to it. And we're just exploring. Oh my god, I thought you were gonna like smack that into me. There was like this huge, oh, a deer! Did you see that?
No.
He just jumped right in front of us. Okay, wait, I'm gonna go find him. Oh, where'd he go? He was like right here. And he jumped and he went that way. You wanna go in there? Huh.
Ah!
They're like chasing each other. Oh, party!
Look for like a tree. Oh,
Woo.
look at that.
Ah. I don't know if I can do this.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, kind of that. Yeah. Alright, you got it. Okay, your butt is shaking now.
Really? Want me to hold that? Okay. Wow.
Ah!
Oh! I'm gonna fall. Oh my god.
Don't sit straight.
Ouch, 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 ouch. I just got stung by a bee. Ow! Ouch! I just got stung. Oh my god. That hurt. Did you get stung?
Yeah.
Ow. That hurt. It's so small, but it hurts. Oh my god. It's in October. They also have Christmas trees in December. Alright, so now I'm going to Target to do my grocery shopping for the week. I meant to go yesterday, but I didn't, so I'm going today. I don't need like too much because I kind of did like a bigger grocery trip last week. I just need to like stock up on some like fruit and milk and like creamer, just stuff like that, eggs. Gonna try to be quick because I have a lot of homework to do tonight and I need to do that. So yeah, but that's what I'm up to right now. It's about 3:30. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday. It is about 10:30, I think. Yeah, 10:32. I'm about to go to the library. I have so much homework to do because I'm actually gone this whole weekend, so I need to get a lot of that done today. So that's what I'm gonna go do. Also, you guys, I just finished this book. It is called Half Girlfriend by this author. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I have no idea how to pronounce that. But you guys, it is so good. The point of view, like how the story was written, is very interesting. I want to start a new book sometime because I've been trying to read more because I don't read books for fun at all.
I've been seeing your soul. Give me things that I wanted to know. Tell me things that you've done. I've been feeling.
Hello.
Hello. Having dinner with Mallory.
We're at Pat's. We just got some buffalo chicken pizza. Little Friday night dinner. Alright, so I just got back home. I went to go have dinner with my dad because he was up here doing some stuff at the house. So it's like, let's go to dinner. So we got some pizza at Pat's. What in the world? My computer just like did something really weird. I don't know what just happened. Also, I'm wearing these earrings. I'm about to take them out because I'm going to change it to my pajamas. But I'm wearing these earrings that I got from my grandmother. They are so pretty. I love them. They're like little like stud things, but they hang down like that. So yeah, I really like them.
So I really need to fold this laundry. We'll build this later. It's not really for us.
Alright, so it is about 11 o'clock right now. I have been working on some homework and watching some YouTube videos, just getting some stuff done, but I want to end this vlog because I want to start a new vlog tomorrow for this weekend because I have a very fun weekend coming up, so I wanted to vlog it for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
It's not enough.